everyone. Today I'm going to show you my certificates which I have achieved from second class. So let's start it. These are my certificates which I have got in some test. So I'm going to show you now these all certificates. So the first one is Ramanujan Talent Test, and this certificate I have got in 7th class, and in this test I have participated and passed it. So this is one of my certificate. And next one is Sumeda exam. In this certificate I have got in 6th class, and this test was conducted for 6th and 7th classes, so I have passed it in this exam. And next one is Indian Talent. This exam was conducted all over the country, and in this exam, in the first round I have scored 55%. So this is my report. And next one is drawing competition. This is Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Jnanpith competition. In this certificate I have got in 4th class, and only I have got first. So remaining my friends have got second. So I have achieved this certificate in my 4th class. And next one is Spell Bee competition. This is my favorite exam, and this was I've written this exam in 6th class, and in school level I have written this exam, and next I have got third rank in the state level. This is the state level selected certificate. And the next one is I have performed outstanding performance in the school level competition. This one is 6th class. And next one is after writing the state level exam I have selected to national level in the 7th class. So this is my certificates. And after selecting to national level I have achieved 1000 rupees from the Apex National Spell Bee. So these are the Spell Bee certificates. And next one is national level science talent, and this certificate I have got in second class. And this test is also called as NSTSC, and NSTSC full form is National Level Science Talent Search Examination. So I have got average performance in this exam. So next certificate is same exam, and I have also got average performance in my 3rd class. And next one is Chinmaya Mission. Actually in summer holidays I went to summer camp. In the summer camp I got this certificate for a good performance. This is my certificate. And next one is Indian Talent. Before Indian Talent is my report, and this is my certificate. So in this certificate I have achieved this certificate in 6th class, and this certificate is given by Indian Talent members for performing good performance. This is my participation certificate. And next one is Abacus certificate. This certificate I have got in 2nd class. So this is my favorite certificate. I have completed my level 1 in Abacus, so they gave me this certificate. And next one is Byju's certificate. This certificate I have got in 7th class for participating in Byju's. And last, so this is TRESMA exam, and this certificate I have got in 7th class for participated and performed well in Telangana state. So these are the secretaries and president for this exams signatures. So this is my certificate. Guys, these are my certificates. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to comment, please comment in the comment box, and bye bye.